Hi guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I achieve this messy tousled look that I wear a lot. I have naturally straight hair that is pretty lifeless when I blow it dry, so I like to add a lot of root lifting to my hair in order for it to have more volume. I use the On the Rise Root Lifting Mousse by Pureology. So I put that in my hair after I get out of the shower and I'm about to blow dry my hair while it's damp, and then I blow it dry and it gives it a lot of lift. Also later in this tutorial we're going to use the Soft Finish Hairspray by Pureology. It's a newer product. Both of these are new. They have new packaging. Looks a lot better than what they used to. But yeah, this is a really great hairspray for if you like a light hold in your hair like that, and it does hold all day without being super crunchy or super stiff in your hair. So without further ado, I'm going to get started and I hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching.